Are you looking for the top 5 corner clamps? Perfect your woodworking. Struggling to keep your wood projects aligned and secure? Here are the 5 best corner clamps I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Dialog 90-degree corner clamp. The Dialog 90-degree corner clamp really caught my eye with its high-quality aluminum construction and red anodized finish. Priced at $39.07, this 4-pack is all about ensuring that your woodworking projects are spot on. If you want precision in your right angles, this is worth a serious look. This clamp really shines when it comes to versatility. With a maximum clamping thickness of 3.5 inches, it's designed to accommodate a variety of woodworking tasks, from building frames to assembling cabinets. The aluminum alloy material not only gives it durability, but also makes it resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, the 5.5-inch size is ideal for a wide range of projects. Over 2,000 of these have flown off the shelves in just the past month, which says a lot about its popularity. Now, some users mention that the screws can feel a bit flimsy under heavy pressure. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it within its limits, it holds up just fine. If you're doing lighter projects, you probably won't even notice this issue. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a woodworker looking for reliable alignment tools. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty industrial use. With a price like $39.07, you're definitely getting good value for a set of 4. Now, if the Dialog sturdiness is a concern, wait till you hear about the next one, which offers a different type of design for added convenience.
Product number 2. WYQYQ 4 Pieces Corner Clamp. Next up is the WYQYQ 4 Pieces Corner Clamp, priced at $33.99. The adjustable swing jaw design caught my attention, making it super easy to clamp different thicknesses of wood. If you want flexibility in your woodworking, this one is worth considering. Let's break down what makes this clamp stand out. With a maximum clamping range of about 2.75 inches, it's perfect for those tighter spaces. The non-slip rubber handle makes it comfortable to use, even during extended projects. What's more, the aluminum alloy frame adds to its durability, so you can rely on it for years to come. It's no wonder more than 900 have been sold recently. It's clearly a popular choice among DIYers. However, it's worth noting that some users found the adjustment mechanism a bit tricky at first. But here's the upside. Once you get the hang of it, this clamp makes securing angles incredibly quick and efficient. For anyone who takes on various woodworking tasks, this is a minor hurdle compared to the convenience it brings. This is ideal for woodworkers who enjoy tackling different projects. Skip this if you're looking for a very basic clamp with no adjustments. At $33.99, it's a solid investment for the quality you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a fully equipped kit for their projects.
Product number 3. WenCrew 90-degree right angle clamp. Now, let's talk about the WenCrew 90-degree right angle clamp, priced at $49.99. What caught my eye is the included portable storage case, which is great for keeping everything organized. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your woodworking needs, this is definitely worth a look. This clamp is built to last, featuring high-density aluminum alloy construction that passed rigorous wear and tear tests. You can easily maintain precise angles during assembly, gluing, and fastening, thanks to its advanced CNC machining with tolerances as tight as 0.02 degrees. That means you can trust it to keep your projects aligned, and it's no surprise that over 600 units have been purchased recently. This is a great option if you're working on multiple projects at once. A downside to note is that the price is higher than some other models. But here's the thing, the convenience of having a complete kit with all necessary accessories makes it a worthwhile investment for serious woodworkers. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional looking for reliable tools. Skip this if you're just starting out and want something more budget-friendly. Overall, for $49.99, you're getting an excellent value that comes with everything you need. If the WenCrew's price caught your attention, the next one might strike a better balance between cost and features.
Product number 4. Vexdykes Corner Clamps.
The Vexdykes corner clamps are next on my list, retailing for $34.99. These clamps are designed for woodworking enthusiasts looking for precise alignment. If you want something that combines accuracy and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out to me is the 90-degree accuracy with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.025 degrees. This means you can feel confident that your projects will fit together perfectly. The maximum clamping range is about 3.34 inches, which can accommodate various materials, making it quite versatile for different jobs. Plus, they come with a handy storage box, so you can keep everything organized. With over 600 sold recently, they're clearly a popular choice for hobbyists. However, I noticed some feedback about them being a bit bulky for smaller projects. But honestly, if you're tackling larger woodworking tasks, the weight can actually be a benefit, providing stability when you need it most. This is perfect for you if you're involved in larger DIY projects where precision is key. Skip this if you need something compact for smaller tasks. At $34.99,
Product number 5, Bates Corner Clamps. Finally, we have the Bates Corner Clamps, priced at $31.99. With their ergonomic rubberized handles, they caught my attention for comfort during use. If you want something that combines usability with performance, this could be the one for you. These clamps come in a 4-pack, which is great for working on multiple joints at once. The adjustable swing jaw design means you can handle materials of varying thicknesses without breaking a sweat. Plus, the aluminum alloy frame ensures durability and rust resistance, which is crucial for long-term use. Over 500 sets have been sold recently, another indicator of their popularity. One downside is that some users reported that they can feel a bit cumbersome when used extensively, but honestly, I think the comfort of the handles makes up for it, and if you're doing serious work, you'll appreciate the grip they provide. This is perfect for you if you're doing cabinetry or framing projects. Skip this if you need something lightweight and compact for very tiny projects.
So let's quickly recap. We've got the Dialog 90-degree corner clamp for precision, the WI-QIQ for versatility, the WenCrew for a complete kit, the Vexti for accuracy, and the Bates for comfort. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the WenCrew because it combines durability with everything you need for woodworking. Definitely avoid the one that didn't meet the weight expectations if you're looking for something lightweight. I've put all the links in the